I'm at 3411 West 46th Street. Let's give you an idea. We got a single family here. Give you an idea of the roof. Got a mix of aluminum and vinyl siding. Got a brick foundation. It looks very nice. Got a nice tenant taking care of the yard. It's got some nice flowers, some new steps going up to the back. Got a little entry deck here. We'll head in. So hopefully this dog doesn't follow me and bark the whole time, but he's harmless. So, but nice big kitchen. And we've got laundry right off the kitchen. So really it's an eating kitchen. They added the laundry, which is great. Bathroom. Got the shower. And then we got a big, this house is so much bigger than it looks on the outside. Got drop ceiling. Got some nice woodwork. Got a bedroom, closet off of the dining room here. It's a real typical near west side of Cleveland layout. So here's the front door. She's got it taped off for insulation, but it's called a side porch colonial. You come in, you enter the dining room, the living room's up front, but look what a great size room this is. So great size. Again, we got drop ceiling. No AC, they're running their own. We got some vinyl windows. Let's head upstairs. Okay, so now this is just like the room at the top of the stairs. So they've got it set up as a bedroom, and we got some cute guinea pigs here. But they've got it set up as a bedroom. I think one of the kids sleeps here. But this is an open room to the stairwell. We got another big bedroom here. This one's got a closet behind all this stuff here. We got another bedroom here. And this does not have a closet. So house is it's really in great shape. It's a family living here, and they got a lot of stuff and kids and animals, but it's clean, and it's just lived in. Head down to the basement. Oh, the dog's back. Not sure how he got outside and back in. So we got a block foundation. Appears to be in good shape. Again, there's stuff down here. Do have some water. Trying to diagnose where that's coming from. I think it's a caulking issue up at the tub because I cannot find any leaky pipes. So you can see some of this plumbing. The stack has been changed out all over. A lot of the plumbing's been upgraded. Let's go look at the box while we're here. So we got the box. Looks like the wiring's pretty much all been updated that I can see. So it looks like all Romex from what I can see. We do have a half bath down here. It's not just a toilet in the basement. There's actually a sink. Of course, it's kind of a sink and a toilet in the basement, but it's pretty legitimate half bath. Here we go. I mean, it's dry down here. They're not running a dehumidifier. Still feels pretty dry, even though it's humid out. So very nice house. We're in the Stockyards neighborhood. We're close to I-71, I-90. So convenient location. Very nice house.